What's up, y'all? I'm Kevin. Today we are making garlic Parmesan wings. Let's get to it. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna save some calories by trimming the fat from the wings. Add a little bit of pepper and toss them together. Lay them flat on a baking sheet with a cooling rack and then dust them with oat flour. Spray them with a little olive oil so they get crispy when baked. And then we're gonna bake them in the oven for 25 minutes at 420. Now let's prep the sauce. To a pan, we're gonna add coconut oil, garlic, chives, and coarse ground pepper. Cook this together for about 5 minutes and be careful not to let the garlic burn. Lastly, add the cooked wings to a bowl, pour in a little of the sauce, a pinch of Parmesan, a pinch of sea salt, and toss them together. Check out these macros. This has been Fueling Gainz. Now remember to come back next week where we are making over your favorite cheats.